Hi everyone, welcome. This is Theophilus on the Anchor coming to you from Invictus Forum. In this particular video, we want to help you out with something cool. Okay, as first year students in the University of Boya, it might become important that you job hunt to get a job, maybe to support yourself through university. Um, One of the places where you would have lots of jobs that would be on LinkedIn. Um, like most of you, you might not know what it entails getting a job. Most the jobs would require that you have a resume, that's like a summary of your curriculum vitae, or a curriculum vitae itself that details all your previous experiences with jobs and stuff like that. So in this video, I want to help you out with these two bits. So first, I want to help you how to go about getting a good uh, resume that's ATS compliant, because nowadays most companies use the ATS software to check if the requirements that were advertised along with the job are found in your CV. If you check all the boxes, if you get what I mean. So to do that, let's get started. We'll do it the hands-on way. Um, we would look for some specific kinds of jobs. For this one, we're interested in customer service. Okay. So I am on LinkedIn and looking for customer service. And that's it. Customer service. Let's take a country of interest. Maybe let's say you're interested in the United Kingdom. So there you go. So we're searching. So that's various, job opportunities, customer service related in the United Kingdom. This one seems to be somewhat interesting. Okay, this is about a remote part-time data entry job from home. Okay, and it's located in Edinburgh, Scotland, in the United Kingdom, and was posted about a week ago. And as of now, it says that there's been about 800 applicants for this job already. Now, what are the requirements for the job? Okay, there has to be air travelers and airliners, international and domestic carriers, Amazon, apparel. So these are the various, companies that you will be entering data for. Okay, it's a long list. Now, what do you require? You must have high-speed internet with good working connection, and since this is a remote job, you'll be working from home, so you will need possibly a laptop or a desktop, a smartphone that functions with a camera and a microphone, because sometimes you will need to do video calls, maybe with your line manager, you know, okay. So in terms of the skill set, you would have to be good with communication and interpersonal abilities, uh, perfect or near excellent organizational skills. You'd have to know basics of computer programs, how to send an email, how to respond to an email, how to enter data, possibly using software like Microsoft Excel. Okay, you'll be able to handle sensitive information. This is particularly important for anyone who is in Europe. Europe has this talk about personally identifiable information that should not be shared with just anybody. That means you should not give your social security number, you should not give your telephone number and your names to someone. Okay, if someone has all of these bits of information, they know a lot on you and they could use this against you. Okay, they could try to crack your passwords, logging into platforms where you should belong, set you up on the internet, know when and where you need to belong and stuff. Pretty much. So that's personally identifiable information you do not want to share with anybody. Now you should have the ability to pay attention to details and be able to submit your work without any errors. Okay. Um, in terms of requirements of experience, well, you don't really need any previous experience. Okay, full training is going to be offered. Now, a little bit about the company, you find some information there. Cool. So, um, let's go ahead and make a CV and a cover letter that will permit us to apply for this job. To get this done, first thing first, we need to copy this information, select all of this information about the job up to this point, like that. I think that's what is most important. We'll right click and we'll copy that. Now I will jump to my browser. I already have perplexity.ai open. This is an artificial intelligence platform that is able to help you with lots of tasks. In this particular scenario, I want the AI to help me, to build a resume and a cover letter for that position. Now, how the AI works is you post queries and then it uses information that it knows to, pretty much answer these queries for you. In this case, we are going to provide it some information, okay? Because it would have to utilize some information to get better results for you. Otherwise, it will go crawling the whole internet just to get information. So to make my life easy, I'm going to give it context. What is my context? My context is going to be the information that I copied from the LinkedIn post. So my first query is, I needed to generate a resume for the position advertised in the following context. Okay, column like that. And for the context, all of this bit of information that I copied from LinkedIn, I've dropped it in here. And now I'm gonna hit on enter button and I will give time to the AI to do its work. So the AI is going to search the internet, and then here it provides me, some basic information that I need. So I'm going to select all of these, and then I'll up to this point, and then I'll copy this, and then okay. So you just need to go through this to change the name. Okay. Let's say that's your name, your address is Oya. Oya Bamenda Street. Let's say there's a street that exists like that. And your city is Boye in Cameroon. Okay. Phone number, because this job is based in the UK, let's add the dialing codes plus 237 and we feed it some dummy number. Okay, that looks like a good enough phone number. For the email, let's just say k at gmail.com. Remember, this is not a real email, just using some dummy information to show you how this works. So so that's my name, basically, hypothetically speaking, for this. And I have the objective. Let's make that bold. I'll just go with this description as it stands. And in terms of the skills, well, I've got some skills there and I'm happy with those ones. If you're not happy with these skills, you can go ahead and modify that. So I'm going to do skills bold. For experience, I will also make this bold. And now for experience, I'd say I was self-employed, working remotely since January 2024 right up to now. And what was I doing? I was doing various online surveys, focus groups to provide valuable feedback to help companies improve their products. Okay, and I did some data entry tasks. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is to let the employer know that I'm not totally new to this. Okay, I have some experience. Okay. Now, in terms of customer service representative, I'm gonna modify this ABC company. Let's say that the company this time is Invictus Forum, and we can pull this away and say that he worked as a remote guy. Again, June 2023 to December, that's such a short time. So I'm gonna change this to June 2020 up to 2023. That's to say that I have 3 years of experience, and this is good enough. Okay. So in terms of education, let's say that you have a high school diploma from, let's say you went to Cameroon College of Art, Science and Technology in Bambili in Cameroon. And let's say that you graduated in the year June 2020. Okay, year June 2020, and that's about it. Okay. If you want, you can further look into this availability, technology, training, and some stuff. But I'm gonna leave it at this. Okay. This is something dummy. Cool. Now that's done. The next thing I want is to also generate a cover letter. I don't want it to generate just any cover letter, so I would say it should generate cover letter for the information that I provided before. Cover letter for the above advertised job, and press enter and sit and wait. And again, the AI has done its job. I have here an auto-generated, cover letter. That's why you can take copy again, and then I'll paste it in there. Okay. This time around, I have a little bit more work to do, so I need to do some formatting here. Tariff return. So probably the name again is like that. What was the address again? The address was something like Boya Bamenda Street. Okay. And what was the city again? I guess the city was Boya, Cameroon. I mean, I cannot remember exactly what the phone number was. Let's go over here. Okay, one moment. Okay. Yeah, that's the phone number and that's the email. So I'm gonna copy these ones just the way they are and bring them over here. And that's it. Okay, I'm good to go. For the date, let's say date of today, that's the 5th of September 2024. Right now we don't know the hiring manager's name, so we'll just say hiring manager. Let's have a look again at the LinkedIn post and see if we can get something about the company. Uh, the only thing we know is that it is the company name is S1 Jobs. Okay, so we're gonna copy S1 Jobs and head over here. So say hiring manager S1 Jobs. I want to make this plain text, not a link. Okay, if you know the company email, if the company's address, you can put that here. But since I don't know, I'm just going to leave it this way. And then I would now say dear hiring manager, like that. Okay, so this text looks quite fancy. So for starters, let's put warm regards on the next line. I'll take this one on the next line. This one is this like that. I'm now gonna select all of this, okay, and then I would justify, align justify. It looks more presentable now, isn't it? So I'll try to make a few paragraphs. So I'm going to take this with a strong design, this blah blah blah. I'm particularly drawn to this job, blah 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 blah. Okay, I'll take this to the next line. Let's say this is a paragraph. Okay, I'll take it here as well to the next line as paragraph. Take this one as well. This is a paragraph. This is a paragraph as well. So I'm guessing you're asking me, how did I know that these were paragraphs? Okay, it's easy. Normally, I would have a sentence end, and then after the full stop, you get the next sentence. Okay, so let's just undo and show you one more time. So we justify. Okay, at this point, I have team full stop. Normally, if this was within the same paragraph, you would find a space between the team and the I am, okay, like you have here. Okay, but since there's no space, then I'm supposing that this happened because I copied from Perplexity, and while pasting here, it squashed the space between the paragraphs. So I'm just gonna tap enter here. So that's my first paragraph, and the next one obviously is here. Okay, and the next one is after environment. The next one is after markets, and I'm almost good to go. Just need to have a read through. I am writing to express my interest in the work from home administration position focused on computer online data entry and short studies, feedback as advertised, blah blah blah. Okay, topic sentence in paragraph 2. I am particularly drawn to this opportunity because of the emphasis on underlining, understanding consumer needs and helping businesses refine their products and services. All of that, that's just you saying that you're the right person for the job. Third paragraph, you want to tell them that you have previous experience. So in a previous role, you were working as a customer service representative, and you did a few things that helped you to get a skill set that you can transfer to this new job. That's a plus. Now, you want to talk about the fact that, okay, you're open to part-time and full-time work as well, okay? And then you're closing off your cover letter here by telling them you're looking forward to the possibility of discussing how your skills align with the job. And you're telling them that they can write to you at some phone number. We have it up here. At some phone number, so I'm just going to pull that here at phone number. So we can move to closing brace, and then gonna grab this other one, which is the email. We'll bring this right down here. So your email address, we'll just change that and put this one. Okay, so guys, we are almost done. Okay, nice. Now I have my cover letter, I have my resume, and I am good to go. So it's time to, apply for the job. So we'll now go ahead and hit the apply button on LinkedIn, and then it now takes us to this new page. Okay, you necessarily have to accept. Now accept. Now this is about the job. Okay, so you now scroll down to where you have the apply button. Okay, now look for the apply button, and here we go. Apply on company website. On here, it's now gonna take you to the company website. They're asking for the email, so I'll put that email there. Okay. They also email the web link and application form so that you have it, blah blah blah. Okay. And then so now it's time for you to go ahead and sign up. Okay. For this one, I'm just gonna go with upload my CV. If I already had an account registered, it will give me the possibility. Since I haven't, then I'm gonna have to try to create an account. And to create an account, I will put my name here. And for the email, that's the email. And then I'll put a password. Okay, we recognize your email address, and we have sent you an account activation email to let you set up your account. So, guys, I used a dummy email, so if it was a real email, I will now just log into the email, pick up the activation email link here, and then I'll be ready to go. Okay? So, that's it for this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next